Hey everybody, we're going to add a signature to the box book that we made from a Lego. I keep calling it Lego because it says Lego right there. This is an Eggo waffle box who have teamed with Lego to do something. I don't know. Anyway, I keep calling it a Lego box, but it's really an Eggo box. So this box became this book here. And I've also done one that is kind of like a long and narrow book. I really love her. I thought that she was just a sweet addition to this book. This book comes together in about 20 minutes. We're not going to spend over 20 minutes to get a signature in here. The first thing I did was just took a scrap of coffee dyed paper just to see like how big I need to make my signature for this particular book. I highly advise this because it's just so simple and so easy and quick. So this is going to kind of be my template, and the next thing I want to do is just start adding pages here. And we'll just see how it all works out. You can totally like go, you guys can totally like go messy book with this. I want to show you my current messy book. This messy book is in my current book of magic. I'll show this to you as it progresses. This is a beautiful book that was made for me by my dear friend Leanne at Creatively Free to Be Me. You know I'm crazy about her planners and I use them all the time. I'll put a link in to her Etsy store in the description box below so you can kind of see what she has in her Etsy store now. This is my messy book. I love the way a messy book comes out because, yeah, I mean, it is a total wreck. I love things that are wrecked. I love things that look abandoned. I love things that don't quite look like they're all put together. To me, that sort of creating it has a vitality to it. It has an energy to it. I can tell that this is not quite going to fit in here. So I'm just going to do a little bit of folding, and then we'll see. We're still looking at that template right here. A messy book is unplanned. It has a lot of energy. It has a lot of momentum. It has a lot of interest to it because it's unplanned. And I love to do messy books. I just think that they're a lot of fun, and they're definitely not in the realm of let's make this look perfect and let's make this look just like everybody else's, because it's so uniquely yours, y'all. We all, we kind of strive for different things as we create and as we, work through our creative process. This is going to be a little bit big, so I think what I'll do is just kind of tear this way, flip it over this way, and yep, that's a ragged edge there, but that's all right. I don't mind that, not one bit. I've got another piece here, but let's see. Oh, look, a piece of awesome handmade paper. Man, I read a little bit about creating handmade paper. I am not sure. I'm gonna tackle that one, my friends. I think who sent me this? Angela. I think Angela sent me this. And some of it is probably Trudy's as well. Oh, look. Isn't that pretty? I think what I want to do here is just kind of fold this. So getting back to my personal creative stance is to just create from the energy that is in your body. You have a creative force that resides inside you. The force that created worlds is right inside your little body, my dear friends. And It's easy to tap into. It's easy to turn that energy on by just paying attention. Just be inspired by the world. Be encouraged by the world. Don't let the buggers get you down. It's an election year. Don't let the buggers get you down, man. I can see this one's not going to fit either, so I'm just going to take some parts in here. I'm going to link Shannon Green's channel as well to this video, as well as Leanne's, because Shannon has that wild, creative energy where I love her, like random books or journals for no reason, things like that. I think she is a genius. That's what I think. She's a genius. She's a fun creator, and it's fun to listen to her chat and talk and tell you about her life and Jason's life and whether Jason has run into anything that is terrifying or not. I admire Shannon and Jason a lot. And if you know their story, they are people to be completely admired. All right, I think we're about to finish up here. I didn't really want to go over 20 minutes. Let's see what our signature is looking like when we fold it into our Ego box. Let's just see how it's looking. Well, let's find the middle of it. That would be advisable. Hold on. It's here somewhere, I promise. I have to look up here. There it is. All right, there's the middle of it. Okay, let's see what this is looking like. Okay, that's good, but I want to chunk it up just a little bit more. I hope you'll stick with me past the 20-minute mark. Let's chunk it up just a little bit more. You guys, I'd use stretchy string here, but you can use embroidery floss. Use whatever, you can use string, you can use dental floss, you can use twine, you can use whatever you have on hand. Will be totally delightful to use. This is an old map of Chicago. Isn't that neat? I think with this one, again, we're just going to fold it in like that, and we easy. You can use this flat box book concept for, this is a fun idea. You can use it as a glue book and be able to stash your glue book images and words and stuff like that into, let's do this one like that, into the pockets. All right, I'm pretty happy with that. I just felt like it needed a little more bulk to it. All right, let's find the middle. Let's lace it in. And there you go. You can see that I do have some elements that are sticking out here. Now I can leave it like that, and that's what I'll probably do. Or just these things that are sticking out, I can either cut off or I can fold inside like that. So let's just look at it. If I decide to just fold that in, what that will look like. So that's, kind of what it would look like if I'd fold everything in. But I'm super inclined to just leave it as a kind of a messy book, because I'm digging them messy books. I love them. I highly encourage you guys to just grab a box and go to town. Now, let's talk about the pockets for a minute. You can put anything in here. You can put papers in here. You can put, little remnants, maybe pieces of fabric. You can put images. You can use it as an image folder. So things just slip right into the pockets. And you've got two nice pockets that you can fill with, you know, with whatever you want, you know, all kinds of collage fodder and things like that. So I am going to leave you with this, and I hope that you guys will take this book and just make it your own and give it your unique energy, my friends. Happy Halloween. Happy sewing. See you later. Tater.